Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you are doing great and gaining value from my tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to easily create PNG or transparent image downloading website using WordPress. We will be using simple plugin along with a few custom functions to build everything step by step. It is going to be really interesting and practical tutorial. So make sure you watch till the end. Now let me give you a quick preview of the website we are going to build. So this is our website. All right, the navigation you will see here at the header I have shown in the logo and this home menu item on this right top corner, and here just below you will see a hero section where I just designed this type of section, shown the title, just subtitle, and just below you will see the nice search bar where you can search images. All right, and this is the placement for the ads. If you want to show the ads, you can put here from the elementor. When you scroll down and you will see here this sticky column, when I scroll below and it sticks at the top, all right, until this post gets ended. Okay, just like this. All right, and here you will see grid of images, which you can see here transparent images. Just be back of that you will see some transparent placeholder. Okay, so this is the image I have placed in the elementor, and it will show in this way. Okay, so it's very easy. I will show you through the tutorial. All right, and these all are images I have generated using the AI tools. Okay, so if you have any original image, you can also add those images. All right, this is the load more button, and we have almost all the images here. All right, some categories are listed on the left side, just like animal, business. When you click on the images, you will see the images under those category. Also this here. Okay, and if the image is not found, you will show this message. Also festival, drink, gaming, and etc. All right, and here is the footer. It's a simple footer I have created and designed. This is the logo information. These categories I have shown in category columns, and this some legal pages. All right, this is the footer. Now just go to the home and let me show you the responsiveness of this website. All right, so this is the responsiveness, and you will see here a button which is filter. So basically this is the custom sidebar function, or you can say plugin I have built, and when you click on this you will see here the category sidebar. Okay, so these are the categories which have some number of images inside. Okay, and the category which don't have any kind of images, it will not show here. Okay, it's completely working just like this. You can also search here the category. All right, that's it. Now this is the responsive. Let's open this website, any one up. Okay, so I will open this. Now you will see here some information of this image on the right hand side, just like title, excerpt or meta description. Here image details like file type, resolution, size, category, AI generated or not, the download, the view, and a share button. Okay, and just below you will see here download button section. So when I click on this button, it will start downloading in a pop-up like this. Okay, it has 10 seconds of timer. When it ends, it will give you a button which is download now. Okay, and here is the section for the ad space. You can put the ad also here. I will show you how you can put the ad here. Okay, and when I click on download, so it will start downloading the image. So you can see here our image has been downloaded. All right, that's it. Now close this. So this is the website if the user is already logged in. Okay, so I am just using this website as an admin. So what if I am not a login user, or I am not the user of this website? So now let me open this website in private mode window. So here Now you will see one more additional text here as a login or register. Okay, so when I click on login or register, just before, let me show you one thing. When you try to download this image, if you are not logged in, so it will show this type of pop-up and it will show you to log in. Okay, or it will force you to log in the website. So when I click on this login button, it will redirect to the login page. So I designed this page using the Formatter plugin and some custom CSS styling. Alright, and when you click on register, it will show you a register page. Alright, that's it. So I restricted this website to use only for the authorized user or the registered user. Alright, that's it. So in this way, so this is going to be our professional PNG image or transparent image downloading website using the WordPress in simple steps. Alright, so I hope you just like this preview of the website, and you can check this the complete preview by your own by visiting my official website. Okay, we will move on to the dashboard of the WordPress and we'll start this tutorial ASAP.